If you ask a swimmer swimming in the sea, they will say that sea lions swim faster than seagulls. But that has nothing to do with our specifically significant swimming question. Swimmers have a saying that they say when they swim. They say, "This pool feels faster than the fastest flying fish there is." No one understands what they really mean, of course, not even them. So what do swimmers really mean? I'm not trying to be mean, but I have seen, and I have been, at swimming competitions where swimmers use the slow pools as an excuse for making a scene and swimming slow. While some pools do have advanced technology to create less waves and more floatability, I am more interested in the psychology and the biology of swimmers making excuses instead of giving an apology. In conclusion, it is not just a delusion. Some pools are faster to master the art of swimming fast and having a blast while you leave in the past your old PBs at last. So that's it for me. Like if you agree. And please share this wherever you might be. I had a blast. Swim fast.